2024 Mazda CX-50, introduced in 2023. Estimated price, $30,300 to $43,300. There are two compact crossover SUVs offered by Mazda, the CX-50 and the popular CX-5. Even though the CX-5 is Mazda's best-selling vehicle, the company's SUV lineup is in transition to new naming conventions and market positioning. Thus, rather than replacing the CX-5, the CX-50 complements it for now. Either model will serve your needs well, but Mazda promotes the CX-50 as a more rugged and capable vehicle. What's new in Mazda CX-50 2024? Simplified trim-level lineup, revised steering and suspension tuning, wider availability of wireless smartphone charging. Part of the first CX-50 generation introduced for 2023. The Mazda CX-50 is a comfortable, spacious, and well-appointed vehicle. Its interior stands out in this class with its premium look and feel. The CX-50 also offers an enjoyable driving experience, although it comes with slightly heavy steering and a firmer ride compared to some competitors. While it may command a higher price, the CX-50 is hard to beat if you're in the market for a small utility vehicle. Inside, there is plenty of space for passengers in both rows. Mazda has done an outstanding job with the driving position as well. The seats are upright but still low enough for easy access. There is ample adjustment for both the seat and steering wheel, and apart from a hard-to-reach touchscreen, everything is within reach. The Mazda CX-50 offers a good selection of standard in-car tech and driver aids. It includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with wireless connectivity, multiple USB-A ports, and an optional wireless charging pad. The built-in Mazda navigation system is user-friendly, and voice commands can be used for inputting addresses or changing radio stations. Additionally, the available Bose audio system is considered top-notch in its class. The CX-50 comes with standard driver aids like blind spot warning and adaptive cruise control. The adaptive cruise maintains appropriate distances and can bring the vehicle to a complete stop in traffic. The 2024 Mazda CX-50 is a compact crossover SUV with 5 passenger seating available in different trim levels. The Select, Preferred, Premium, and Premium Plus models are equipped with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, while the turbo versions have a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. The power output varies depending on the fuel type used. All CX-50s come with a 6-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive.